Hey, I'm Ben Hayman, Hoselink's resident horticulturalist, and today I'm going to show you some of the fantastic benefits of using Hoselink's Oscillating Sprinkler, plus share some of my top tips for watering your way to a healthy lawn. Hoselink's Oscillating Sprinkler is specially designed for watering lawns and large garden beds with a reach of up to 15 metres. It's easy to use, has a huge range, and best of all, you can set and forget while you get on with enjoying the garden. An oscillating sprinkler rotates back and forth under pressure to keep water constantly moving across the garden, similar to rain, which makes it great for slow, gentle application with better absorption and minimal runoff. It will also encourage the grass to grow strong, healthy roots. If you only want the sprinkler to water one side of the yard or grass, you can slide these tabs to adjust the oscillating movement. You can also customise the water's reach by turning this flow control dial. This means you only water what you really want and reduce any wastage.
Or push in the buttons to turn off the 3 jets at either end, which will help you to water a narrow lawn.
Now in spring and summer, I recommend using this sprinkler 2 to 3 times per week, and in autumn and winter, once to twice a fortnight. Now if you stick to a regular routine, you'll only need to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes at a time, no matter what the season. In the warmer months, make sure you turn the sprinkler on early in the morning, before the day starts to really heat up. This prevents any water evaporation. When it comes to mowing your lawn, I'd suggest cutting it to around 50 to 60 millimetres in height. Keeping the grass long like this helps to retain moisture as the soil is more shaded. It also keeps weeds at bay as they need sunlight to germinate. Putting in all this effort is well worth it, as a healthy lawn develops a bigger root system that requires less water and handles stress much better overall. An oscillating sprinkler can also be a lot of fun if you have kids or a dog. On a hot summer's day, there's no better way to cool off than running through one of these.